A galaxy is a massive system of stars, dust, gas, and other celestial objects that are held together by gravity. Galaxies come in a wide range of sizes, shapes, and colors, and are the building blocks of the universe. The Milky Way galaxy, for example, is a barred spiral galaxy that contains around 100 billion stars, including our Sun. The galaxy is disc-shaped, with a central bulge and spiral arms that extend outwards from the center. Other types of galaxies include elliptical galaxies, which are shaped like ellipsoids, and irregular galaxies, which have no defined shape. Galaxies can also be classified based on their color, with blue galaxies containing many young stars and red galaxies containing mostly older stars. Galaxies are thought to have formed shortly after the Big Bang, when matter began to clump together due to gravity. Over time, galaxies grew larger through mergers with other galaxies and the accretion of gas and dust from the surrounding space.